Android 17 stands beneath a flickering neon sign, rain tracing lines down his jacket as night falls. In this world, a quiet vigil replaces the hunt as he surveys a city that forgot its protectors. Gears of his artificial heart pulse with purpose when a blackout exposes a struggling street vendor beneath neon. He offers assistance without fanfare, restoring power and earning a hesitant nod from a child who believes. Dawn breaks, the rain eases, and Android 17 walks away, leaving the city to mend itself under pale dawn light.